This is how you make one of my favourite breakfast items, the Sausage McMuffin. And with a bit of luck, you might have all of the ingredients already, saving you a trip to McDonald's. And to make a decent sized patty, I'll be using the sausage meat from these 2 pork sausages. Remove the sausage meat from the casings, then form a ball. Okay, so far so good. Next, add some seasoning of your choice to give it more character. Sprinkle the seasoning on top like so, then get in there with your hands and give it a good mix and form a nice patty. Oh, and be sure to make the patty's diameter wider than the actual muffin, because once it hits the skillet, there will be some shrinkage. Add the patty to a well-oiled skillet and cook over a high heat. And while that's cooking, it's the perfect time to toast the muffins. Okay, a Sausage McMuffin has the cheese under the patty. Yep, you can do that. But for me, I like the cheese on top, so when the patty's done, turn off the heat and add a slice of American cheese. Next, cover it and let the residual heat do its stuff. Oh, that was quick. The next step is to butter your muffins. Once that's done, it's time to assemble the Sausage McMuffin. And voila! A Sausage McMuffin just like that. Yep, I really love these, and the cool thing is, it's freshly made, I didn't have to leave my house, and it tastes better than the real thing. And that's how you make a Sausage McMuffin at home. As always, thank you for watching. I'm the Bento Buster, a Kiwi in Japan, and for more content like this, please like and follow.